Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we will create a star-shaped background animation using SVG and GSAP. Let's get started. Let's begin with the HTML. We will use this class to show star shapes. We also add an H1 element to display a title in the center. Now we add an SVG element. Let's click on the code. You can copy and paste it from my GitHub repository. You can find the link in the description. It includes many star shapes. Each one has a different position using the transform property. They are also hidden at first by setting the scale to 0. Now let's move on to the CSS. In this part, we set the background and make it visible through the star shapes. We use this font for the title. We reset the margins, paddings, and box sizing for all elements. We set the height to make it full screen. The background color is dark blue, and we use a radial gradient. We use clip path to show the star shapes. We also use 2 radial gradients to add color to them. You can also use an image background instead of the gradient. We style the title to appear centered. We also add a text shadow for a glowing effect. Now let's animate the stars using GSAP. In this part, we'll animate the star shapes. First, we add the CDN link to use GSAP. Then we select all the star elements. Inside the loop, we animate each star element. Each star scales randomly and at a different speed. This makes the animation look more fluid. We set the transform origin to center, so the scaling is from the middle. The random delay starts each animation at a different time. The animation loops forever. Yo-yo makes the animation reverse. This way, the stars grow and shrink in a loop. And there you have it. We've created a background animation with star shapes and GSAP. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative projects. Thanks for watching.